Welcome back to another one of Kendra's Card Challenge video hops where you have a chance to win a free digital download. Hi everyone, I'm Steph from Chaos in the Craft Room and I'm excited to share with you my sketch today, which is using sketch number 15 from Kendra's Card Challenge number 12, and hopefully this video hop will also give you some inspiration to participate in Kendra's Card Challenge. Today I'm going to be using products from our super sponsor Whimsy Stamps. This is the Rustic Wood and Brick digital paper set. And yes, if you think you've seen it before, you probably have, because I have also used it on Kendra's Card Challenge number 12. And because once I have it, I can just keep printing it out. And so why not use it? And today I'm going to be using this sketch to decorate an envelope rather than a card, because I always find it saves time to use Kendra's card sketches whenever I'm decorating anything, because it saves me a lot of thinking time. I want to give someone a few photos and a gift card, and I thought this would be a fun way to decorate it. I'm going to be keeping it quite simple and not using all the layering that Kendra has. And this is usually why I like using glue instead of double-sided tape, because it doesn't have as much wriggle room, and when it just sticks down in slightly the wrong spot, it's a bit harder to rearrange. And the image that I've got here is Dragon Golf Digital Stamp, and I am just in love with this cute little dragon. You'll have seen I definitely have a few others in this collection because I just think they're so cute. And if I was to post this envelope, I would leave the section on the right empty and put a sticker on with someone's address. But because I'll be giving this to someone in person, I don't need to do that. This sentiment is from the Birthday Wishes Digital Sentiments Pack, also from Whimsy Stamps. And I will list all the items that I've used from Whimsy Stamps in my description box below. Now, if you want more information on how to participate in the video hop, please check out my description box below. And there's also a link to Kendra's Card Challenge there as well. And you can see just how quick it was to decorate this envelope without me needing to think too much, because I could use Kendra's sketch. So thank you, Kendra. Thank you so much for joining the video hop and watching my video. Don't forget to head over to the next video in line, which is in my description box below. And it would be great to have you participate in Kendra's Card Challenge as well.